In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export music in Soundtrap. We'll start right from the Soundtrap homepage. Open your browser and head to the Soundtrap site for music makers. On the landing page, look to the top right and click Login. For this walkthrough, choose Login with Google. A Google account chooser will appear. Select the account you use with Soundtrap. If you're on a shared computer, double check that you're picking the correct profile to avoid opening the wrong workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your home area. Click Projects. This is your library where all of your saved songs are organized. If you have a lot of work in there, take a moment to scroll, sort, or use the search bar to quickly find the project you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the finished version you want to share. When you've located your song, don't open the project. Instead, hover your mouse over it to reveal the three dots, often called the More menu, on the project tile. Click those three dots to open the options. From that list, select Export. This tells Soundtrap to create a stereo mixdown of your entire project as a single audio file, with all tracks, effects, and automation baked in. You'll now see export choices. Click MP3 audio file. MP3 is the most widely compatible format, giving you solid sound quality with a relatively small file size, which makes it ideal for emailing, messaging, or uploading to social platforms. If you need the absolute highest fidelity for mastering or future edits, you can choose WAV instead. And if you have a specific web workflow, OGG is available too. Just remember that higher quality formats create larger files and may take longer to download and share. After you pick the format, Soundtrap will process the project. The time this takes depends on the length of your song and how many tracks and effects are in the session, so be patient and keep the tab open. When the export is ready, your browser will start the download automatically and save it to your default downloads folder. From there, you can rename the file and move it into your music folder or cloud drive. A quick quality checklist before you send it out. Make sure the project was saved before exporting, confirm your overall volume isn't clipping, and trim any unwanted silence at the beginning or end. If you plan to distribute the track, consider keeping a WAV export as your archival master alongside the MP3 you share. That's all there is to it. Log in, open projects, use the three dots, select export, and choose MP3. Enjoy sharing your music, and I'll see you in the next one.